Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to set timer on Windows or how to use the Windows timer. So let's get started. It's a very simple thing to do. First of all, you need to search from the search bar is CLOCK clock. Okay, and then tap on that, and from here, from the left side, you need to select the timer. As you can see, the timer option, and from here, as you can see, here are 4 types of timer. You can customize a timer by tapping on the right upper side. From here, just right tap on it, and you can tap on the edit to edit any of the timer, or if you want to update or add a new timer, like you want to update a new timer on, then what you need to do is to tap on the plus icon on the right down side, tap on that, and now you can add a timer. Like I want to add a 30-minute timer, so I will tap on 30, name it as my programming time. So after that, you need to click on the save. So if we tap on the start button, and it will start to the stopwatch, like the stopwatch or the timer. So if you want to make it full screen, what you need to do is to tap on this option right here to expand it. And now, as you can see, we got the timer and it is full screen. So if you want to push pause it, you can tap on the pause button, or you can reset it by that tapping on this button, and it will start over and over again. So that's how you can use Windows 11 timer app, which is also a timer app for the PC without paying anything. So that's it for today. If this video helps you out, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.